Hello everyone. Today our concept is to find the n of a union b is equal to n of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b. This formula how we can derive. For that we need a prerequisite, that is n of a minus b is equal to these two formulas are required. So we will see how we will be using these formulas. Let's take one circle and this is another one. Here let me take these two are intersecting. Let me name this is a set A and this is a set B. Okay, I'll change the color. You think it is not visible properly. So here this is set A. Okay, I'll write it as set A and this is set B. Now what is this total intersection part? I mean these both are here it is A intersection B. Okay, this is intersection part of A and B. This left side, I mean this side, I'm writing it as A minus B and then writing this side as B minus A. I said at the beginning, what is the meaning of A minus B? It is the set A but not containing the B part, that is A minus B. It's also called only A. It's also called only B. Okay, now how do we derive this formula using this particular Venn diagram? Now when I collect A union B, that means if I collect these all elements, I can see A minus B set plus A intersection B set plus B intersection A set. So when I take a number of A union B, one second, this is should not be written plus. Actually in the set theory that plus is represented by union. Now when I go for A union B number, this union will become n of A minus B plus n of A intersection B plus n of B intersection B minus A. Okay, A minus B, A intersection B, B minus A, numbers total. These numbers, these three numbers, if you add, I'm going to get the union of two sets. Now it said the prerequisites are here. This is A minus B number, means I need to collect only A numbers. So here I can put the formula n of A minus n of A intersection B plus, this is carry forward as it is, plus, and here we will be getting the formula n of B minus n of A intersection B. This one you can see. Okay, now these and this gets cancelled, so I hope you got the answer. N of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. This is a formula for n of A union B. Okay, after doing this one, if I extend the topic with n of A union B union C, I have three sets. So what could be the answer for it? So for this, what I will say, I assume this letter A minus B is A union B is equal to D. Okay, then I will get n of D union C. So this according to the previous formula, n of D plus n of C minus n of D intersection C. There is no issues in this. So now what is D actually? You assumed n of A union B plus n of C minus n of D. D, you can write that one, okay, what you have assumed, A union B intersection C. So here this one you can apply the formula n of A plus n of B minus let me write properly, A intersection B, this is a formula I have written for this, plus n of C is here minus n of, this is distributive law. I have A intersection C union B intersection C. Now when you apply here the formula, So you will be getting n of a plus n of b. This is carry forward, nothing new I am writing. So this is same. The minus is outside. I'm going to apply formula for this. So A intersection B, the union becomes plus B intersection C. The last one is minus of the common. If you take the common of these two sets, I will get A intersection B intersection C. So your final answer, the formula for A union B union C number is n of A plus n of B. I collect this one and put here, plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of A intersection C. I'm removing this bracket, minus n of B intersection C, and minus of minus here, plus n of A intersection B intersection C. It's a big formula. That's all for today.